When we left home, we had a plan to get to Wellington, Texas for NomadFEST. We knew how long it was going to take and approximately the route we were going. But as usual, our serendipitous way of travel sort of got in the way. We stopped to see some friends in Springfield, Missouri, and had dinner with them, hung out for a little while. And then we thought, oh, hey, we'll stop and see the Oklahoma City bombing memorial. And on the way there, we discovered the state capitol. And of course, because we're always on the hunt to see all 50 state capitals, we just knew we had to stop. So it's okay because we didn't really have a schedule. We knew where we wanted to be and kind of when we wanted to get there. But it was also good to just take it easy and relax and chill out and see what we could see along the way, because if you're not stopping to see things, then what's the point of traveling? So here we go. We're going to head into the capitol and see what we can find.
We did kind of a quick abbreviated tour of the Oklahoma State Capitol, but that's okay because right now it's sort of an abbreviated Capitol. There is a multi-year renovation project going on here at the Capitol in Oklahoma City. There's a lot of fake walls and construction doors. Some things are blocked off. There's no artwork anywhere that I saw. I think all of the paintings and historical things have been removed, both for their own protection during restoration, but also I think they're restoring some of the work. Some of the artwork and things that are normally in the Capitol. But it's still kind of a cool thing to see. And it was really interesting, I thought, when we found out that this Capitol did not always have a dome. It was finished, what, in 1917 and during World War I, and they ran out of money and there was no dome constructed, even though they had planned for one.
So many years later, a number of people got together and decided they really did want to finish the dome and finish the Capitol that was originally constructed. So they pulled out the blueprints and constructed the dome, and it was completed in 2002. Luckily, because the original design had been intended to have a dome, the infrastructure and the load bearing was already set in place. So they literally just had to construct the original dome on top of it. And it's really gorgeous. The artwork and the painting and everything and the colors. It actually has to do with their state flower, which I can't pronounce, but it was indicated in the guidebook here about why they painted the dome the colors that it was. So I thought that was really symbolic and very cool the way they put that all together.
Yeah, it's a Capitol I'd like to come back to once it's all put back together and the restoration is done. We have some Capitols we like better than others based on their design. This one seems like it's really cool. It could be really pretty, I think, when it's fully decorated. I'd like to see the Senate chambers. We got to see the House chambers today, but the Senate chambers were completely blocked off in terms of the gallery and being able to get in and see it, and that's, again, because of the construction. So my heart goes out to the people who work in the Capitol, because having been in state government and worked in buildings that are under renovation, it is never fun to try to do your work and your day job while everybody's doing construction around you. But we'll have to make another trip back here
Yeah.
to Oklahoma City and check this out when it's all done.